Hey guys, it's your favorite girl ZOESHAAA and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As promised in my last proposal video, I told you guys I would be coming back and showing you guys what we gifted our groomsmen as well as our ring bearers. So that is what I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video. So if you're interested and if you're looking for gift ideas for your bridal party, the males in particular, then you'll want to stay tuned and continue watching this video. Okay, so the first proposal box I'm going to show to you guys is for the ring bearers. And as you as all of you should know, if you guys are, you know, die-hard true supporters, you guys know I literally only have one nephew, and there is no way in hell I was going to have anybody else be my ring bearer. So when I know that Kamari is going to be my ring bearer, so this is what I will be giving to my nephew as his gift. So Kamari is literally going to be 2 in a couple of days. Yeah, he's gonna be 2 next week. So by the time the wedding comes around, no, he'll still be 2. He'll still be 2. He won't be 3. So yeah. He can't read, he don't really understand anything, nothing like that. So I didn't really go through any of like anything extra or anything like that. And I guess depending on you and your situation and how old your ring bearer or your many people are in your bridal party, that will determine, you know, what you're gifting them, that type of thing, or even if a gift is necessary. So for Kamari, his box, it was kind of pretty much colorful, but still somewhat along with the theme. Like with everybody else, I just wrote his name on the box, and because they're boys, I added bow ties to it. So I wrote their names, his name in blue, and then the bow ties in gold. Still going along with the theme a little bit. And there was no real proposal question or anything like that for him because, again, as I said, he cannot read. And like that's just what it is. But when he opens his box, this is what it will look like. Oh gosh. Right, the first thing that you will see is a book, and it says, "Will you be my ring bearer?" So this is just pretty much a coloring book, almost similar to what I gave the flower girls. Yeah, it just pretty much lets him know like what his job is pretty much. So yeah, it's a coloring book, and to go along with the coloring book, I got him a pack of crayons. So this should keep him occupied. Yeah, Kamari is a boy, he's 2, he's rambunctious, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this should keep him occupied. This, my sister can bring with him along the day of and keep him occupied. So yeah, that's the first thing that you will see in the box. The next thing that you'll see, so funny thing, when I initially came up with the idea, well, not came up with the idea, but I decided that we were going to do proposals, what I wanted to include for the boys were pretty much like the attire that they were going to wear on the day. So like a bow tie, a tie, whatever the case may be. But we just still haven't decided 100% in terms of what we want their look to be like. So I decided to leave that out. Now for the ring bearer, I thought it would have been cute to still include it. A small little one, and I seen a really cute gold one, and I thought, what could I do with it? Because if I just put the bow tie in the box, he's not gonna understand the concept or anything like that. So I got him a teddy bear, and I put the bow tie on the teddy bear. It's so cute! It's so cute. So it's this cute little gold bow tie. I don't really know if I'm gonna make him wear this. He can wear gold, but I don't know if I'm gonna make him wear this one. If I do, perfect, because he'll already have it, and he gets to keep a cute little, you know, a cute little teddy bear. So I thought that was really, really cute. So yeah, that's in there. And then also with that, he got himself a water bottle that says his name and his title, just like everybody else did. And last but not least, I couldn't leave out my nice clean nephew. No, none at all. I couldn't leave him out. So you know, say he have to show up to the rehearsal with his nice clean shirt that says ring security, and it has a bow, and yes, I made this shirt as well. So yeah, I'm really excited to see him in it. I just thought it's so freaking cute. Like, can you guys picture him in it? Oh my gosh. So yeah, so that's what we gave to the ring bearer, right? That's what we're talking about, right? Yeah, the ring bearer. Yeah. All right, now moving right along. So the next proposal box that I'm going to show you guys is what we gifted to our or babe's groomsman and his best man. So for the guys, I found these nice black boxes at Michael's as well. And for the guys, I just put their names on it in blue. And I also added a bow tie to their box as well in gold, right? So, you know, it's just very manly and, you know, just very manly and grown and sexy and, you know, like mature and yeah, you know, yeah. So that's what I gave to, so that's how their box looked with their names on it or whatever. And then when you open the box, this is what you see. I don't know if you guys can see it properly, but it reads, your service as a groomsman is required, or your service as a best man is required. We never need to ask them because them don't know already, say Ray, yeah, that they need to do. And then when you open it, I don't want anything to fall out. So a few of the groomsmen are in another country. They're overseas, so a few of them will be traveling to our destination for the wedding. So with that being said, I gave them also personalized luggage gear. I gave them a luggage tag, and I also put their name on it in gold, just some gold handwriting. Yeah, you know, guys aren't really too fussy or whatever, but you know, so them are gonna see that and I'm gonna say, whoa, my name go on luggage and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? I want everybody to feel like VIP, you know? Yeah. So I gave them that. I also gave them a cup as well. The cup just has their initial and then it has their name spelled out on it. So yeah, the next thing that I gave them is a flask. The flask, for those of you who don't know, is to hold your liquor. I am holding part of this here because it has the date of the wedding on it, but it has their name and it has their title, and then the date of the wedding is on there. And then lastly, for them, they also received a shirt, and it just has the bow tie and it has their title on it. Now, Babe designed these shirts. This is how he said he wanted his guys' shirts to look. So I just took the order and I just made the shirts, and this is what we're gifting them. And then again, the only difference that there would be for the best man is that his would say best man. And yeah, that's what we gifted to the groomsman. Now, for them box, you know, I don't have all the things them like what my girls them did have or whatever, but yeah. The same amount of love and everything still went in there. I just feel like, I don't know, I couldn't settle for what I wanted to give my girls. I went a little bit above, over, and beyond, you know what I'm saying? Babe was more so like, this is what I'm giving, and yeah. So yeah, but these are just some ideas in terms of things that you guys can give to your bridal party. Again, the box is mainly so that they can keep everything pertaining to the wedding in the box. Any memories that they have from that day, they can keep them in the box for years to come. And it'll be their own little like keepsake from our participating in our wedding. So yeah, I think the whole proposal or, you know, gift idea is a really, it's a good thing. Like, I've taken part in weddings where I haven't received anything, and then I've taken part in weddings where I have received stuff, and it's like, you know, it's a responsibility. I mean, you're asked, you say yes, so you're saying yes to take on the responsibility of all the things that come with being in a bridal party, which is buying your attire, being there for certain events, helping out along the way, and that type of stuff. And it is a lot, and you know, it's definitely a lot more for the bride and groom, so you're there to be their support system. And I feel like, you know, people who support you should get something in return, you know what I'm saying? It's not like it's their day, but they're there to help you out. So giving your bridesmaids and groomsmen or anybody participating in your bridal party a little thank you gift, I don't feel like should be too much. Again, set yourself a budget depending on how many people you have in your bridal party, so you don't feel like you're going over budget or you're going overboard in terms of spending or anything like that. And it doesn't have to be a box filled with things. It could be one item, it could be like, you know, one personalized item, it could be, you know, a lot less items or a lot more items, again depending on yourself, the relationship you guys have with the members that are in your bridal party, where your bridal party is taking place. All of that type of stuff can be factored into the gifts that you guys are giving. But again, these are just the ideas that we came up with and what we decided to gift the members of our bridal party. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. I will be in the comment section to answer them. If you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe. If you are returning, please hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me or this series, as we are getting closer to the time. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all of them something there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys again for watching. Bye.